enough is enough. I'm at that point when your hair gets like really long, you start looking chopped. It's crazy too, because look at that sticker on my car. I'm the dude with the freaking Lexus YouTube channel, and I'm driving around with this and that. The other day, there was a stock GS350. It was so clean. I'm pretty sure that car was like ceramic coated, full paint correction. And then I parked my chopped GS350 next to that car. The owner of that stock GS was like, this dude does not have his priorities straight. His car is all modded out, but it's chopped. All that is gonna change right now. Let me show you guys what I got. We got, oh shit, you guys can already see it. Whatever. Chrome inserts. I'm actually gonna be keeping the chrome. I know I did say I was gonna vinyl wrap it, but I changed my mind. I actually had a few brain cells connect too, because I'm not the only GS that has experienced this issue. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me at GS350. Obviously, the majority of my followers on my Instagram are GS owners.
You don't say!
So I had a poll asking my followers, hey, does your GS have this damage? Out of the 50%, 82% of refresh owners actually have this damage. So why am I gonna spend $200 on OEM parts where I could just get cheaper parts? And who knows, maybe these parts are not gonna have that failure. So that's why I bought these. Link will be in the description. And also made in Taiwan.
Taiwan #1!
All right, let's get started. Step one is open your hood. All right, just joking. Step one is gonna be, you're gonna get rid of all these little things. I already did half the job because I'm missing half of them already. If you don't know how to get them off, just click in, and then hopefully you have a thinner screwdriver than me, but then you could just fit the screwdriver, get them out. Once you get all your clips out, throw them somewhere safe so you don't lose half of them like I already did. Go ahead and take these panels off. So we're gonna put this.
What? What the fuck?
So step two, there's gonna be 8 10mm screws down here. Got one. Oh. So then afterwards, there's gonna be a 10mm here. So if you look for this hole actually serves a purpose, and it's kind of hard to see. Okay, so that hole right there actually serves a purpose. For you to be able to stick a screwdriver in there, push the liner out so you have access to that 10mm. If you can see, I got my 10mm right here. Just be careful. Right now, I banged up my wheel. I didn't leave any marks. That is out. These are a little tricky. What you do is you make them horizontal. Once it's horizontal, pull it out like that. And then next, you're gonna have 5 clips. So these 2 on each side, and this one right here. So I'm actually gonna voice over now because the recordings and the audio I have is trash. I was starting to babble. The reason why is because shit started getting real. I'm just kidding. Okay, it wasn't that bad. But at this point, the work does get more tedious because you have to be careful not to damage your grill. And removing some of this stuff is not that easy. There's no way around it. You have to remove the grill. So there's 2 clips that you have to remove. This top one was pretty easy. This second one, for whatever reason, it took me like 10 minutes to get it out. And I didn't want to resort to having to use a screwdriver because bad things happen sometimes when you use screwdrivers on these clips. So I was able to eventually pull it out by hand, but it took me like a good 10-15 minutes. Once you have your grill completely out, you're gonna have to unscrew all these screws, including the air duct. So unscrew that, and there's gonna be some more screws hidden underneath that. Unfortunately, after you unscrew everything, there's still some more BS, because the chrome piece is actually held on by clips to the grill. So you can't just yank it off. Now, I couldn't find an easy way to release the clips. Maybe the right thing to do was to remove the mesh part, but what I ended up doing was carefully breaking the clips and slowly pulling out the chrome grill in pieces. I took my time, and fortunately I didn't damage my bumper in any way. So just take your time, guys. It is possible. Once you get them out, after that, it's a lot easier. Just get the chrome pieces back in. Make sure you apply as much pressure as you can when you screw them in. That way the fitment is good. I would give these fake bootleg chrome pieces a 9.5 out of 10 for fitment. It looks just like OEM. The matches up with the top part of the chrome grille. No issues whatsoever. All right, so I'm gonna get this back on. I'm not gonna really record it. You guys can just rewatch the video and work backwards from there. But goddamn, but sheesh, shucks. Let's get this on. If you made it this far into the video, you know I always appreciate it. I'm a damn fool because I didn't record a proper outro. But the fitment is a 9.5 out of 10. The color matches perfectly to the top part of the grille. The fitment itself lines up perfectly. I can't speak for long term, you know, how the chrome is gonna hold up. I think it's gonna hold up good. Really the issue is if you scrape it, regardless if you have these fake ones or you have real OEM ones, it's gonna get damaged. So you might as well have the fake ones. All right guys, as always, you can pick up your own Lexus leather key fob. I got LA blue right here, or sport blue, however you want to think about it. Sport blue comes with black stitching. LA blue comes with white stitching. So it's on the website ekcstore.com. All right guys.